Luca. This is the last universal common ancestor. This is the root of tree of life because they share one common biochemical pathways or system. So this Luca bears the three major cell lineages or the domains. We have the bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. So again, this is the last universal common ancestor where all three domains have descended from. They have this genetic and molecular system. They use the DNA as the genetic material. They use this RNA for transcription and protein translation and use a nearly universal genetic code. They use also the ribosomes. They have the tRNA and the rRNA, which includes the 16S and 18S rRNA ancestors. They have also this metabolism, which is likely anaerobic or no oxygen. So possibly they are chemolithoautotropic or they use inorganic compounds. They use this kind of ATP as energy currency and enzymes for glycolysis, like pathways, nucleotide synthesis, and amino acid metabolism. For the cell structure, they had this lipid membrane, but the composition is quite different to today's modern cells. And they contain the basic ion transport system. So this Luca actually live in hydrothermal vent environments, wherein they have high temperature, high pressure, and no oxygen. This environment also rich in hydrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur, and metals. That's all. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.